Hello, my name is Roshan Mahajan, and I will be demonstrating the assignment one of Big Data Technologies. So, in the beginning, we are given two data set that is 50 tweet sample for testing, and then 10K tweets, which is the original data. So, at first, we have to write a data cleaning script that is for data curation pipeline, section A part A. So that script reads the raw JSON and writes to Mongo collection. So I have written a script, data cleansing script. So in this, I have imported the necessary libraries. I have given the database name as Twitter assignment, and I have given input file, which is extracted from the original 10K tweets data. And I have connected to MongoDB using this URI. So this is a script that will clean out all the necessary things as requirement of the part A data curation pipeline task. So this is the script. So after running the script in the MongoDB, so this is the Twitter assignment database that is exported that is connected through the script. So in this we have two collections, tweets clean and tweets teaser. So in tweets clean there are total of 10K tweets, which is the clean version of the given 10K tweets, and the user collection as well, which contains 7,669 data. So this is for the part A. So for part B, there is content and temporal analytics, in which we have to run queries on TweetScreen and return concise table. So for the emerging hashtags, so it was a bit confusing in the beginning because of the week 2 and week 1 uh, time that we have to select. So in this one, I have selected the posted time of the actor object. Uh, So the created at date is a bit different from the one which is April 1st, 2016 in all the cases. So in this, for the emerging hashtags, I have written a aggregation pipeline that is given as this one. So in this, so there are different stages. So in the beginning stages, it was running okay, but when it came to matching condition, so there was no any output. So here I have taken the week start date as March 2016, and week end or the second week date as April 2016, which is suggested by the tutor in the discussion forum. But still, on the condition, there is no any input. So moving on to the second part. So in the tweets clean, in the second we have to detect domains that see greater than equal to 3 distinct users. So for that one, so I have written the aggregation pipeline so as this, and there are a sample of 10 documents as a pipeline output. So this one is running fine. And for the part C, so I have written the pipeline aggregation as this, and the output seems to be fine as per the task requirement. And for part C of section A, so at first we have to uh, find a pair of users who share a location or URL domains, etc., given in the task description. So in this users, I have also created the uh, aggregation pipeline. So this is the aggregation pipeline, and these are the output from that one. So moving on to the B part. So for the B part, here I have written the aggregation pipeline, and pipeline output goes like this. So for the section A, that's all. And for section B, so for section B, I have run it in the Docker Compose file. So it's in the Docker environment. So this is the Docker Compose YAML file. So here I will be operating the ciphertext in the Neo4j browser. And here are the credentials and the required plugins. So, and all the data are stored in folders, logs are saved, etc. So let me give you a demo on how I'm operating this one. So I am building the Docker container. So so based on the section B, that is graph databases, so we are given 4 files. So those files are stored in the import folder, and the YML file that I showed earlier is this one. Sorry. So in the initial graph data model, so for this one, I will be running Cipher script that is was connecting to the localhost. So it's taking time to come up. Sorry, starting. So I'll be making the script ready for this one. So this is section B, initial reference. So Cipher script. So these are the script for part 1, that is initial graph model. And here I got in. So it has come up. So the password is stored in my web browser. So directly, so I'm running the script. So after running the script, the output looks like this. So this is for the first part. And as per the assignment requirements, I have explained why I have introduced new relationships or properties that I have embedded in this one, and other constraint and indexes that I chose. So here the script has run. So here the graph looks like, so this is a particular client and it has different relationships. We can expand the relationships more. So like this. And then for the second initial queries part, that is part 2. So there are 4 problems. The 4 problems. So I have generated a Cipher script for those. So at first what I have done is I have cleared the old data to take baseline data as 2024 5/1. So if we do not take this data, the output shown will be empty. So I'll be running this in the browser. So it's deleting, and for the queries, so for the queries, so for the part B, problem 1 query, I have to set the parameter start and ended. So I'll be setting it here. So it has been set. And for the query 1, so this is the cipher script, sorry. So if I run this, the required output is shown. This is the assignment's requirement for the part B query. So I have ciphertext as this one. So it will give the one top 5 list with the negative balance. And for the third query, so in the third query, I have to set the parameter as given in the question and then run the cipher script. So these are the required output. And for the last query, so I'll be running it in soon. So it's created 46,452 relationships. So here, so we can see different added things. We can extend. So it has got a lot of relationships and so on. So these are the demonstrations for section A and section B. I have not included the graph data science, so it will be demonstrated in the practical sessions or STTA sessions. So that's all for today. Thank you.